it has been a while since our walk at the big park 2 times around, but we are going to take a check on the babies. I haven't been here in a week. I'm really hoping that they're still there so I can see them, but if not, that means they're growing up. Let's see. Here we are. Oh, they left the nest. That means they got big and they took off flying, which means they are in the area, because they usually don't stray far. They learn to fly right around this spot. So I don't know. I do see a bunch of robins in the area, so maybe it's one of them. Just got to find the ones with like the minimal feathers or not the bright colors. Oh, I think this might be a baby. It's pretty small. It's not flying away. And then there's 2 way over there by the water, like over there, which might be mommy and baby learning. And then there's one here, and there was 3 in the nest, so 3, and there's one over there, but yeah, these all look like babies.